Now let's see this question. Here we have a quadratic equation 2x square plus kx plus 3 equal to 0. In the question it is given that this quadratic equation have two equal roots. Okay, two equal roots. Then find the value of k. That's our question. So equal roots means discriminant b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Now what is a, what is b, what is c? A is equal to 2, b equal to k and c equal to 3. Put all these values here, we get k square minus 4 into 2 into 3 equal to 0. That is k square minus 4 into 2 8, 8 into 3 24 equal to 0, or k square equal to 24, or k is equal to plus or minus root of 24. Okay. Another question, kx into x minus 2 plus 6 equal to 0. We want to find the value of k and it is given that this equation have two equal roots. So equal roots means discriminant is equal to 0. Now put all the values of a, b and c. Before that, listen, the given expression is not in the form of general, okay, standard form. So we have to convert this into standard form. So just to open the bracket, kx into x, kx square minus kx into 2, 2kx plus 6 equal to 0. Now this is in standard form. Then write a, b, c. A is equal to k, b is equal to minus 2k, c is equal to 6. Put these values here. So b square minus 2k the whole square minus 4 into k into 6 equal to 0. Now minus 2 square is 4, k square is k square minus 4 into 6 24, 24k equal to 0. Here 4k is common, so take it outside. 4k into k minus 6 equal to 0, or from here we can write 4k square is equal to 24k. Here common is 4k, so we can easily cancel. We get k is equal to 6. Okay. From here also we get k is equal to 6. Let's see third question. Is it possible to design a rectangular mango grove whose length is twice its breadth and the area is 800 meters square? If so, find its length and breadth. Okay. So listen, the condition is length is twice its breadth. If we take breadth equal to x, then what is length? Length is twice of breadth, that is 2x. Now area is given. Listen, this is a rectangular mango grove. So area of rectangle is length into breadth. Here length is 2x, breadth is x. So 2x into x is equal to area. Area is given, that is 800. Now 2x into x is 2x square, that is 800. From here x square is 800 by 2, that is 400, or x equal to root of 400. Root of 400 can be written as root of 4 into 100. Square root of 4 is 2. Square root of 100 is 10. So 2 into 10, 20. So x equal to 20. If x equal to 20, that is breadth equal to 20, then what is length? Length equal to 40. So length equal to 40 meter, breadth equal to 20 meter. So that its area is 800 meters square. So it is possible to design a rectangular mango grove whose length is twice its breadth. Okay. So that is question number 3. Now question number 4. Listen, a situation is given. The sum of ages of two friends is 20 years. 4 years ago, the product of their ages was 48 years. So our question is this situation possible? If so, determine the present ages. Okay, determine their present ages. So let us take present age of a friend as X. Present age of a friend is, one of the friend is X. Then what is the present age of, suppose there are two friends X and Y. So present age of X is equal to X, and so present age of Y. Present age of Y is equal to 20 minus X, because age of two friend is, sum of age of two friend is 20 years, that is given. So one present age is X, then present age of the next one is 20 minus X. Now see the next sentence. Product of their ages was 48 years 4 years ago. So 4 years ago means age of X was X minus 4. Age of Y was 20 minus X minus 4. That is X minus 4, 16 minus X. So this is the age of X and Y 4 years ago. Now product of their ages, that is X minus 4 into 16 minus X is 48. Now open the bracket, term by term multiplication. So X into 16, 16X, X into minus X, minus X square, minus 4 into 16, minus 64, minus 4 into minus X, plus 4X equal to 48. This is equal to 16X plus 4X, that is 20X, minus X square, minus 64. Take this 48 to here, minus 48 equal to 0. Now minus 64 minus 48 is minus 112. So minus X square plus 20X minus 112 equal to 0. Change the sign, we get X square minus 20X plus 112 equal to 0. Now solve this equation. You can use completing the square method or factorization method or quadratic formula. Okay. So better thing is that you have to find the discriminant b square minus 4ac firstly. Listen, what is b square minus 4ac? Minus 20 square minus 4 into 1 into 112 equal to 0. Minus 20 square is 400. 4 into 1, 4. 4 into 1, 1, 2 is 448. So definitely this is a larger quantity. If we subtract 400 from 448, it becomes a negative number, that is negative 48. So b square minus 4ac is a negative number, means it is less than 0. Now listen, if discriminant is less than 0, then what is the nature of roots? Yes, no roots. Roots are not possible. So the given situation, that is the sum of the age of two friends is 20 years, and 4 years ago the product of their ages was 48 years. So the given situation is not possible. Okay. Now listen the last question, question number 5. Is it possible to design a rectangular park of perimeter 8 meter and area 400 meters square? If so, find its length and breadth. So listen, it's a rectangular park, area is given and perimeter is given. How to find perimeter of a rectangle? That is 2 into L plus B. Okay, this perimeter is given. Perimeter is 80 meter. So 2 into L plus B is equal to 80 meter, or L plus B is equal to 80 by 2. 80 by 2 is equal to 40. So length plus breadth equal to 40. If we take length equal to x, then what is breadth? Breadth equal to 40 minus x, because L plus B is equal to 40. Now area is given. Area is obtained by length into breadth. Length into breadth is 400. So x into 40 minus x equal to 400. Open the bracket. X into 40, 40x. X into minus x square equal to 400. Take all these terms to right side. So this becomes minus x square is x square, plus 40x is minus 40x, plus 400 equal to 0. Now find the discriminant. B square minus 4ac. Here B is minus 40, A is 1 and C is 400. Minus 40 square is 1600. 4 into 1 into 400 is 1600. So this is equal to 0. So B square minus 4AC equal to 0 means the given quadratic equation has two equal roots, and the two equal roots are given by minus B by 2A. So minus B is minus of minus 40 by 2A, 2 into 1. That is 40 by 2, 40 by 2 is equal to 20. So x equal to 20. If x equal to 20, then 40 minus x equal to 20. That is length and breadth both are equal to 20 meter square. So length equal to 20, breadth equal to 20, area is equal to 400 and perimeter equal to 80. So that's our exercise 4.4. Okay. So study well, practice well all the question answers given in your textbook. So listen children, in this chapter we have studied the following points. One is any quadratic equation can be written in its general form, that is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a not equal to 0. Okay. Then the zeros of the quadratic polynomial and roots of the quadratic equations are same. Now we can solve the quadratic equation by factorization method, completing the square method, and by using quadratic formula. Okay, that we studied. And finally we noted that the nature of the roots. If the discriminant is greater than 0, then the quadratic equation has two distinct real roots. If discriminant equal to 0, then the roots are equal. If discriminant is less than 0, then no real roots. So this is very important. This section is very important, and also you must thorough with the concept of solving the given quadratic equation either by factorization method or by completing the square method or by quadratic formula. Okay. So thank you all once again. Have a nice day.